What's the worst thing you can do to ruin your car accident injury case? Our law firm has been handling accident and injury claims for 30 years. During that time, I have seen the same mistake made over and over again. And that is before the potential client calls our office for help, which is sometimes too late. The worst thing you can do is to speak to the insurance carrier about your accident before consulting with an attorney. Why is that? The insurance carrier's adjusters are well trained in gaining your trust in the initial call. They will be friendly and leave an impression that they are there to help you, when in fact, they are there to gather information to minimize the insurance company's financial exposure. Here are the 2 ways the claim adjusters do that. Number 1, anything you say will be used against you in a court of law, especially a recorded statement as to the facts surrounding the accident and your injuries. The claim adjusters are well trained to ask you questions where the answers you give can be interpreted to show that you were at fault for the accident. Your words will be used against you, potentially shifting the blame and affecting your ability to claim damages. This will minimize your recovery in many states, especially North Carolina, where your claim is barred if you were even 1% at fault. Number 2, do not sign any paperwork without consulting with an attorney. I have seen clients sign a full settlement release immediately following their car accident for anywhere between $500 and $2,500, where they were under the impression that this money was just an advance on their claim to help pay for their initial medical bill. But instead, they signed a full and final settlement release of all medical bills and injury claims. Insurance carriers in most states, especially North Carolina, do not make any advance payments unless it is a full and final settlement. This also comes into play when the injury victim thinks the injury is minor and settles their injury claim for minimum value, let's say $5,000. When the injury turns out to be more serious than they thought and sometimes requiring surgery. Remember, the insurance carrier's goal is to have you sign and settle as soon as possible to lock in their payout and prevent any unforeseen future cost. Once you sign the full and final release, you cannot reopen your claim. As you can see, without proper representation, you're at a significant disadvantage. Navigating the aftermath of a car accident or any claim is complex and fraught with potential missteps. Your best course of action is to seek professional legal advice immediately. An experienced attorney can protect your rights and ensure that you do not undermine your own case. For more advice and insight, subscribe to our channel and stay informed. If you need immediate assistance, do not hesitate to contact our office today.